How do the rich get richer and the poor get poorer? It's a question that's been asked for centuries, and there's no easy answer. But in this video, I'm going to try to break it down for you in a way that's easy to understand, and I'm also going to offer some solutions to address this problem. Remember to stay till the end of the video where I will share with you what are some things that the rich do that we all can learn from. First, it's important to note that income inequality is a global problem. It's not just happening in developed countries. It's happening all over the world. And it's getting worse. Since 2020, the richest 1% of people have accumulated close to 2/3 of all new wealth created around the world, a report from Oxfam says. So, what's causing this growing gap between the rich and the poor? There are a number of factors, but some of the most important include compound interest. This is when you earn interest on your interest, which can cause your wealth to grow exponentially over time. The rich are able to take advantage of compound interest by investing their money wisely. Access to capital. The rich have more access to money than the poor, which means they can invest more in businesses, assets, and other investments that generate wealth. The poor may not have enough money to invest at all, or they may have to borrow money at high interest rates. Tax breaks. The rich often benefit from tax breaks that are not available to the poor. This means they can keep more of their money after taxes, which they can then invest or spend on other things. Government policies. Some government policies can also contribute to income inequality. For example, tax cuts for the wealthy can make the rich even richer, while cuts to social programs can make the poor even poorer. Discrimination. The poor may also face discrimination in the workplace and in other areas of life. This can make it difficult for them to get good jobs, earn good wages, and build wealth. Education. The rich are more likely to have access to high-quality education, which can give them a leg up in the job market and help them earn higher incomes. Social networks. The rich are more likely to be connected to other wealthy people, which can give them access to opportunities and resources that are not available to the poor. Inheritance. Many wealthy people inherit their wealth from their parents or other relatives. This can give them a significant financial advantage over those who do not come from wealthy families. Before I continue, if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button so you make sure to never miss my weekly videos on wealth creation tips. These are just a few of the factors that contribute to income inequality. It's a complex problem with no easy solutions. But by understanding the causes of income inequality, we can start to develop policies and programs to address it. Here are some things that can be done to address income inequality. Progressive taxation. This is a system where people with higher incomes pay a higher percentage of their income in taxes. This can help to redistribute wealth from the rich to the poor. Investing in social programs. Government investment in social programs, such as education, healthcare, and housing, can help to create a more level playing field and give everyone a chance to succeed. Anti-discrimination laws. Anti-discrimination laws can help to ensure that everyone has equal opportunities, regardless of their race, gender, ethnicity, or other factors. By taking steps to address the causes of income inequality, we can create a more just and equitable society where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. There are several things that the rich do that we all can learn from. Here are a few examples. 1. Invest their money wisely. The rich understand that money can make money, and they invest their money in assets that will generate wealth over time. The poor, on the other hand, are more likely to spend their money on consumption, such as cars, clothes, and entertainment. 2. Live below their means. The rich don't spend all of their money. They save and invest a significant portion of their income. This allows them to grow their wealth over time and achieve their financial goals. The poor, on the other hand, are more likely to live paycheck to paycheck. They may not have any savings or investments, and they may be in debt. 3. Have a plan for their money. The rich have a clear plan for their money. They know what they want to achieve with their money, and they have a strategy to get there. The poor, on the other hand, may not have a plan for their money. They may spend their money impulsively and not think about the long-term consequences. 4. Network with other successful people. The rich surround themselves with other successful people. They learn from each other and support each other in their endeavors. The poor, on the other hand, may not have a strong network of successful people. They may be surrounded by people who are struggling financially. 5. Read books and articles about personal finance and investing. There are many great resources available on these topics. Some popular books include The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey, Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi, The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. 6. Listen to podcasts about personal finance and investing. There are also many great podcasts available on these topics. Some popular podcasts include The Dave Ramsey Show, Bigger Pockets Money, Choose FI, The Tim Ferriss Show. 7. Attend financial literacy workshops and seminars. Many banks and financial institutions offer free or low-cost workshops and seminars on personal finance and investing. 8. Talk to a financial advisor. A financial advisor can help you create a financial plan and answer your questions about money and investing. 9. Network with other successful people. Attend industry events, join online forums and communities, and connect with people on LinkedIn. 10. Develop their entrepreneurial skills. There are many resources available to help you learn about entrepreneurship. You can take classes, read books and articles, and talk to successful entrepreneurs. 11. Buy assets, not liabilities. Rich people buy assets, middle-class people buy liabilities that they think are assets, and poor people only have expenses. If you want to get rich, you need to invest in things that will make you money. This means buying assets that generate income, such as rental properties, stocks, bonds, and businesses. Don't waste your money on liabilities, which are things that lose value over time, such as cars, clothes, and electronics. Here's an example. Asset: a rental property that generates $1,000 per month in rent. Liability: a new car that loses value over time. The rental property is an asset because it generates income. The new car is a liability because it loses value over time. In this video, we've taken a closer look at the factors that contribute to income inequality and discussed what can be done to address them. We also discussed about the things that the rich do that we all can learn from. I hope this video helps you in being one step closer to your financial goals. Please give a thumbs up on the video if you have enjoyed watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more wealth creation tips. I'd see you in the next video. Bye.